can. This is a serious issue. When this is serious, somebody could have get themselves killed. We need people from Black River, St. Elizabeth to watch this. When I look no friend, when I look no hype for nobody. When I love Facebook like that. When we come from Facebook like that, I Facebook like. I just want to share.
Sure.
Sì, sì, ma c'è, se ti chiamavo.
People from Black River. Listen, I don't need no likes, I don't need nothing more, I just want to share the video. To make you know how people can be very wicked, especially people where you don't call family. This morning, we are going to work, and only God knows we get up this morning, go to work, we sleep last night. No makeup, nothing. We just get up and we go to work because without you go to work in this country, you can't achieve nothing because we don't get up on team. We have to work because I have a son. I'm a single mother, but we have to share this. We have to share this morning. I'm wishing I could have invited as much people as I can before we reach our work. I'm supposed to get to work at 7 o'clock. We're going to be a little bit late. But this is something we need. Everybody to see and hear. Believe me to God. Couple was in the last year, after we go to Jamaica last year, February, and come back. In the year 2017, February, when we come back. We did come on live when my sister, the same man, they come stab me up and kill me, but they couldn't find me. They never know where I go. But me ask some people if you never hear one story one time. I don't know if I think me born or before. Me born, from me born in the 70s. One time one story did I go around say, one guy did sell his mother come from foreign and one guy said he friend to go pick up his mother at airport. And when the guy go to pick up his mother at airport, the guy went to pick up his mother, tell his mother, say, when pick up his mother, tell his mother, say, miss, the one you have to turn back. Because guess what happened? Your son tell me if he kill you. Well, me going to give you one story this morning. When nobody now go really believe. But if folk did come up Jamaica Friday I come. I don't know here say me dead and never nobody rap me a black people to kill me. And my sister when they are rocky set up somebody to kill me. Yesterday evening me I leave work. And me pick up my phone to call one of my friends. But in on the phone me have two and the same name. And me dial off the phone. And when me dial off the phone and the person answer. The person said to me, the person said, how are you doing? The person said, I'm doing fine. And me say, you're not fine, man, you're big and red. And the person said to me, no, man, me fine, same way, where are you walking? Believe me to God. When me catch you guys, me said to the person, say, okay, wrong number. Call you back. The person said to me, say, don't hang up. Don't hang up, walking, me have something to tell you. Me want no walk one, because Rocky called me and begged me to find one hitman for my Jamaica. Rocky called me and begged me to find one hitman in Jamaica about a month ago. And me say for real, because me never go down to put her insurance for the house. Because she sent it to me, say she have to burn down the house. You understand? Me say, okay, I mean, they are listening to you. The Lord said to me, but she said to me, I want her family. So me said the only family Rocky have a black people is yet not. That's a Wayne. And Wayne and Rocky no deal. He said, no man and no Wayne because me call me cousin. And my cousin don't tell me one. And me said to him, say, you know say I'm middle. And he said, me glad you say are you. He said, you know say after me give Rocky. After me give Rocky the number to call one man at all. Me realize you walking and me try to get back your number. Come on, Sky's the limit for me. When me did diagnosed the other day with melanoma, you cancer in my mouth. In Kuyan, he tell everybody say cancer will kill me. Me a survivor. And me don't want nobody tell me nothing this morning. Nobody don't say nothing negative. Me just want to know to listen. But Tracy Jones, one thing never tell you, my girl. You see money where you sell if you get man to kill me. You should have said that. Because me changed my mind. Me now go bother go. Because God sent somebody in my way to stop me. To not go to Jamaica. Because me don't go. And if how Jamaica run, I'm more than dead. And people down there would have say, I rob them, rob me. One Wayne, and you as my sister. You as my sister. Second man to kill me. Come on. And then me make you two send them to prison. Me have them and grow them at Jamaica. When my mother filed for with Tracy. When my mother filed for it. You hear? You say you come America, you leave them with me. You leave them with me, Tracy. And me have me nephew them with me. And when me I get you, Mr. Rocky, you make a mistake because when mommy filed for me, I just auntie alone did it for the paper. And me say me not left Britney. Me say if me feel left Britney, me not come America. And me never stop. And me put me daughter for me paperwork. And me get me daughter here. Me send me kids them go to school. And pray to God till me kids them come out to something good, Rocky. And Rocky, I go set up man to kill me. You know me and my grandkids them. You know me and my little sickle cell son when me move come your way. And you go set up man to kill your sister. Come on, man. What me do you? The house down there, me not live in Jamaica. When Dwight and Miguel go home, and them have somewhere to stay, Rocky. Rocky, me not put them out where you gonna kill me, sir. So when the youth said to me, to my girl,